What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Gonna go with our friend Gala Games. Absolutely exploded. Our trade is up over 40%. Imagine joining a Discord for 10 bucks a month and getting a trade signal that gave you an over a 40% gain. We got over 50% gain on our Solana trade. We're sitting at 0.019999. We're up 28% on the day. Same market cap 495 million. 24-hour volume 266 million. Let's hop into the chart. Commenters, where are my commenters at that told me Gala was going to go to zero? You guys seem to have disappeared. So here's a potential micro count. Wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, potentially shot all the way up to the 1.618. We can't be sure that this impulse is over because it's parabolic until we get a correction, until we put in a wave 4. As of right now, we can continue to explode to the upside. Money is still flowing out on the 4 hours, so do keep that in mind. Here's our juicy trade. There's our entry at 0.01391, and currently we are up on our position 44%. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, you won't believe it, but it's only 10 bucks a month. You spend $10 every single day. 2 slices of pizza and a pop is 10 bucks these days, sometimes 15. And you can sign up to the Patreon link. So we had the bullish cross, we had a nice bullish divergence, and we retested the falling wedge. All those were signals to go long, and we absolutely sniped the entry, and we've exploded to the upside. So our TP1 is the next major level of resistance at 0.02276. And once we do pull back, I will give another signal for a trade. When we see that larger wave 2 pullback, we finish the impulse, we see a large pullback, I'll give another trade signal to ride up that wave 3 in the Discord for 10 bucks a month. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Gala Games. Awesome to see it absolutely exploding. Where are all my haters at saying it's going to go to zero? Disappeared. Anyways, not important. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for my US and Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account if you deposit $1,000, $200 completely free to trade with, $100, $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only 10 bucks. Sign up to the Patreon to gain access to my trade signals, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. We made over 50% on our Sol trade. We're up over 40% on our Gala trade. We're up over 10% on an Ethereum trade. You can see the members are crushing it. Look at this 1,000% gain on Gala. Gala 293% gain. Gala Games 1,400% gain. Members are absolutely crushing it, guys. 10 bucks a month. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.